G'day, I'm Booma. If you're getting into barbecue, a kettle is a great place to start. Today I'm going to show you the 4 main setups which will allow you to cook any barbecue, plus low and slow. The first setup is the 2 baskets pushed together in the middle for direct grilling. The second setup is the 2 baskets pushed either side of the kettle. This is for roasting. The third setup is 1 basket pushed to the side for indirect, low heat cooking. And the final setup is the snake method for low and slow barbecue. And these 4 setups will allow you to cook anything barbecue. If you're looking to get into barbecue, grab yourself a kettle, it's a great place to start.